How to invite the iOS users to install your app created using NucleApp? As an app creator, open NucleApp and navigate to your projects. Select an app you want to share from your projects. From the App Info screen, tap on Share the App. To invite an iOS user, tap on Invite iOS User button. You can share your app link and instructions to install to the app user. Once you sent it, the app user will receive your message with app link and instructions. As an app user, open the received message and install the NucleApp from App Store. And open it. Now, tap on the Install an App button and enter the app code sent by the app creator to continue. From the app preview screen, tap on Install and log in with your account. Congratulations! The app has been installed on the app user's phone. Now the app is ready to be used. Thank you.